Good morning everybody. Wasn't going to film anything today, but as you can see I've come out on a quick trail ride. Not brought the camera with me today, just this GoPro. But this is a great way to scout out new locations. Just been along the River Dart, along that lovely trail. I'm just down at Nos Marina, but now I've got the long hill climb all the way back up to Hill Head and then back to Brixham. Whew, not looking forward to that, but a nice Sunday morning's ride. Anyway, thanks for joining me again for this very short video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see all the other videos, and hopefully I'll see you again next week. But for now, cheerio.